Hi everybody, I'm here at the Social Media Corner with Tali Chackartchi, President-elect of the European Federation of Periodontology, and we're going to talk a little bit about artificial intelligence in the EuroPerio. Hello Tali, welcome to the Social Media Corner.
Hi,
Tali,
Bruno.
can you tell me a little bit, can you summarize the key message behind the EuroPerio11 focus on artificial intelligence in periodontology and implant dentistry?
Well, we had several very nice presentations about artificial intelligence, which actually are reflecting three aspects that AI is integrated in our field. On the educational point of view, on research, and also some clinical applications of AI. And all look very, very promising.
And compared to the previous editions of the EuroPerio, how do you describe the evolution of the digital topics in AI with the EuroPerio scientific program? Do we start to see some of these AI topics being developed?
Oh, very much. It's just like with our lives.
Yeah.
When we see that we are integrating more and more digital tools, so also now in EuroPerio, we see more posters, more lectures about new techniques, about new implementation of AI tools, because it becomes a tool that is much more accessible, and we keep on seeing more ideas how to integrate it in our work.
And do you have the feeling that we start to have more research proposals, not research that is already done, but research proposals that are really getting into the thematic of AI in these days?
Oh, very much. We see that, first of all, in the posters,
Yeah.
we see already studies that have been done, but also as a reviewer of several journals, I see more and more studies being done by that. So I guess we will be seeing just more in the future, because these tools are relatively new and it takes time to conclude research. But we see also the evolution of our understanding how to implement these tools in our field.
That's for sure. And what do you think that in the future will be the role of the EFP playing in guiding clinicians and researchers through a responsible integration of the AI?
Well, one of our understandings is that these tools have a lot of, let's say, process limitations.
Yeah.
We have to make sure that it reflects different kinds of population. We have to make sure that the machine learning is on a proper database.
Yeah.
Otherwise, the bias of results can be tremendous. Now, the EFP roles also was reflected in the last workshop when we had one of the work groups dealing with the AI tools, is try to regulate and to standardize the way that we integrate these tools in our field.
So do you think it's from high importance to assess the quality of the data sets that are being used by AI?
First of all, we need to be aware what is actually the properties that will cause bias.
Yeah.
We understand that different population, we need to train the models on different population. We understand that asking a question in a certain way might create a bias as well. So it's just, first of all, to make us as clinicians, as researchers,
yes.
as educators, understand that what are the limitations of these tools in order to be able to implement it properly.
Properly in the clinical set. And Talia, one last question regarding legislation. How far are we? Should we be more advanced? Do you think that the legislations of each country are following the evolution of the AI and how AI is being implemented?
Same as with tools that are relevant for our everyday life.
Yeah, sure.
There's not enough legislation regarding that. Luckily, in our professional field, we can set the standards in a way that will limit the implementation in a problematic way.
And you can stand also for the influencing for the implementation of this legislation as a clinicians.
Exactly.
Tali, it was an absolute pleasure to have you in the Social Media Corner. I hope to see you soon.
Thank you.
So guys, this was Tali Chackartchi, President-elect of the EFP, talking about the insights of artificial intelligence at the EuroPerio11. Stay tuned.
Thank you.